Carved out by water after a sinkhole opened up and dug out further by the CCC in the early 1930s is Longhorn Cavern, located in Burnet, Texas. Longhorn Cavern is located about an hour and a half away from Austin and not far from Inks Lake State Park. I recommend buying your tickets online as some time slots fill faster than others. Tickets for the Cavern Walking Tour for visitors 12 and older are about $22.50, and children ages 4 to 11 are $12.50. Tickets for the Wild Cave Tour are $100.25. After getting your tickets, you will walk to the exhibit hall to wait for the Cavern Walking Tour to start. Here, your tour guide will give you instructions and rules. This tour is an hour and a half long, while the Wild Cave Tour is 3 hours long. Tips are given after the tour ends. The tour begins by walking down 52 steps into the sinkhole, where information will be provided about the history of the cavern and how it was refined by the men of the CCC. Throughout the cave, you will see tricolored bats hanging from the ceilings at various points. Discovered by two couples that entered through the historic entrance is Crystal City, 2 chambers filled with calcite crystals, which rate a 3 on the hardness scale. This large formation is called the Queen's Throne. In the past, men would bring their dates here, put them on the throne, and take their picture. Unfortunately, they would also break off pieces and etch dates into the formation, causing lasting damage. Next to the throne is a formation called the Queen's Watchdog. This formation is actually not man-made, but sculpted by water flowing over dolomite rock. This large area is called the Indian Council Room, where Comanche Indians would commune. This is also the place where a woman from San Antonio was captured and brought to before being saved by Texas Rangers. At one point in time, this area of the cavern became a dance hall that was in operation from approximately 1932 to 1934. People would come to listen to bands like Harris Brothers Texans and to dance. A quick point of interest is an area called the Smokehouse, named this by the CCC workers who thought the formations looked like hanging meat. This impressive part of the cavern is called the Hall of Marble, named this as when it was first discovered, it was thought that it was marble that had been found. In reality, it is dolomite that was shaped by the water that ran through here. When the men of the CCC entered this area, they thought they had found diamonds. Instead, they found calcium carbonate, the same crystals found at Crystal City. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep trekking.